Now we're ready to add our first method to our Elite API service to get HTTP data. For this first example, we'll use promises. Soon I'll show how you can also do this with RxJS, reactive extensions. So let's add our first method, get tournaments. And what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to say return new promise. We'll have an arrow function here. And we're simply going to say this.http, that HTTP property is what we injected into the constructor, .get. So that represents an HTTP get. I'll use some string interpolation here so that we have this.base URL tournaments.json. Then we're going to say .subscribe. This is the result, the response. We're going to call our resolve method, passing in response.json. And that's it. Now we're ready to use this method in our code. However, before we utilize it, let's take a minute to first understand Ionic's lifecycle events.